Hello children, today we are going to study a new poem and the name of the poem is Two in Bed, written by Abram Bunn Ross. This poem is about two brothers. So children, most of us sleep with our brother or sister. Yes or no? Yes. And almost our sleeping pose is in V shape. Very few of us sleep in a straight position. So today we will study a poem of two brothers who sleep together. Now let us read the poem. When my brother Tommy sleeps in bed with me, he doubles up and makes himself exactly like a V. So now let us understand. When my brother Tommy sleeps in bed with me, in this poem, poet is saying that when I sleep with my brother, I face a lot of problems. He doubles up and makes himself exactly like a V. Poet is saying his brother becomes double and makes himself like a V. Yes, it means he makes his body like a V, as you can see in this picture. And cause the bed is not so wide. Children, here cause means because. And cause the bed is not so wide, a part of him is on my side. Here the poet wants to say his bed is not too big. It is a small bed. So you can see that most of Tommy's body is towards the poet. Children, you can see that the poet cannot sleep because of his brother. So children, you are seeing in this poem that poet is not able to sleep because of his brother. I hope children, you don't do this with your brother and sister. Children, this poem is written in the shape of a V. As you can see, because the poet's brother sleeps like a V. Such poems are called shape poems. I hope children, you all must have understood this poem. Do learn and write this poem in your classwork copy. So children, take care of yourselves. Thank you and God bless you.